let's go over the heart and soul of the CompassWave Estimate Form tool, Custom Fields. Your CompassWave account will come preloaded with some questions depending on which industry you selected upon signing up. However, if any of the preset questions don't apply to your pricing strategy, please feel free to delete or alter the preset fields whenever you like. And don't worry, the industry-specific presets can always be added back later via the Show Presets button here on the top right of the page. As a quick example, let's pretend I'm setting up an estimate form for a cleaning service company. My pricing strategy adds 20% to the estimate cost if the homeowners are smokers. Simply add new custom field here. And let's first enter the text that will prompt the user for their answer. Write down any notes for internal purposes that you may like to review later. In this particular case, we are looking for a yes or no answer, so we can use either a radio button or a drop-down. Let's use a radio button. Answer 1 is yes. If selected, this adds 20% to the estimate total. Click Add New Answer. And answer 2 will be no. If selected, add nothing to the total. CompassWave Custom Fields offers very granular and customizable control of your estimate tool. When you're finished updating your custom fields, simply hit Save Changes at the top right of the page.